everyone, it's Harneet and welcome to my channel Glitter Pixie, and I hope you guys are doing well. Today's video, it is gonna be a kind of a fun video. As you guys read the title, it is wet makeup brush challenge. If you guys watch many different YouTubers are doing it currently, I also thought that why should not I do, and I thought it is kind of interesting video, so I have to do on my channel. And you guys do not heard about this challenge. This challenge is a wet makeup brush challenge. In this challenge I have to dip every makeup brush into the water, wet it, and after that I will apply my makeup on my face. If you guys think that this video gonna be interesting video, then keep on watching. So I take this water, so I take a glass full of water, and it is normal tap water, and I will dip every single brush into this, and after dip in it, and I will apply my makeup with that wet brush. And let me know in the comment section below that I will succeeded in this challenge or I fail in this challenge. Let me know in the comment section below after watching this video. So let's start with the makeup. So starting from the base, and I'm gonna use this Color Bow foundation, and it's in the shade Nude Beige 02. And first I will dip my foundation brush. I'm gonna use this Real Techniques a buffing brush, and I will dip this makeup brush into the water, and taking this wet brush, I will start buffing into my skin. Oh my god, you can see this watery effect. Oh my god, I don't know it's gonna be buff out completely or not. Oh my god, it's so yuck. Oh my god, it's so yuck. It's giving not even full coverage. It's just like I'm painting on face. Oh my god, it looks so cakey, so friggin' cakey. Oh my god, I don't know if it's looking good on screen or not, but it's looking cakey on the mirror. In the mirror, it's giving this watery effect. I don't know what kind of makeup look I will turned out with. So I'm done buffing into my skin. Move on to the concealer part. I will take this Maybelline Fit Me in the shade Light 10, and I will dip this dome brush of this concealer into the water. Yes. Let's squeeze it like that. Now dipping into the product, just picking it up. makeup is really looking cakey. Just trust me, this makeup is looking cakey in the mirror. I don't know what kind of it looks in the camera. Dipping this buffing brush into the water and squeeze all excess water. Now I will start buffing this concealer into the skin. Oh my god, it's going all over the place. I'm done with concealer. Now I will go to the eye makeup, and I will not gonna set my under eyes because if it is already creasing. If you guys see, it's already creasing due to the water. If I bake my concealer part, it will gonna stuck. The powder gonna stuck into the skin due to the water. It will not gonna bake it properly. It will give a creasing. It's already creasing, you guys. If you can see it, it's already creasing, and if I bake it, it will give lines on it. So I'll skip setting the under eyes. So now I will go straight to the eyeshadow, and I will using this Freedom Be Free to Makeup 10 eyeshadow palette eye pro striped eyeshadow kit. I'm using this Urban Decay Naked 3 brush, and I will dip this eyeshadow brush into it. Just squeeze a little bit, like excess water. I'm taking this shade, this nude shade, and just take a little bit because I'm applying it on my crease line. Oh my god, it will gonna blend or not, I'm not pretty sure. It's too much. You can see it's too much. Slowly I will build this color. Now I'm taking this Elizabeth Arden palette, and I'm taking this dark movie color, and I will put this color on my eyelid. Wet brush, taking this brush. Oh my god, it looks black, don't you think? It is movie color. I hope it look different. And I apply this thing on my whole eyelid. Do the whole eyelid. I don't know, it's not picking up the product. I'll apply this color on whole eyelid. It's look beautiful. I can't tell you guys how beautiful it is looking. It is quite fallout on the palette. Ordered from Sephora, and I got this Cover FX shimmer wheel. It is just a sample. I got the 3 shade, and it is just peel it off and you will get the stuff. It is just limited, so I thought why should not I tried it on today. And there is 3 shade: Moonstone, Solil, and Amethyst. And these are the three shades. This is the bronzy shade, this is the highlighting kind of a shade, goldenish, and this is kind of a purplish with the hint of pink. And let's peel this off. Let's peel this off. I guess I use purple. No, not purple. I think the Solilil, the center one, the Solilil with the best choice, and it is just a limited product. You can see how small the quantity is. It is literally small quantity. I will use this on today. Brush. I will take up the product with the brush, with a wet brush, and go straight away on my eyelids to give some kind of a shimmer effect on my eyelids. Oh my god, it is so fucking, it is so good. Oh my god, it is a look stunning. If you guys, I'm done with both the eyeshadows. Now I will go to the liner, and today I'm using this Lakme Insta liner for creating wing liner. So I will dip this tip into the water again. Just slide like it. Done creating the wing liner, I will apply my lashes and come back. Now done putting my lashes on, and this is pack 58 eyelashes, and this is so amazing. You can guys see how fluttery this looks. So moving on to the next step, I will apply kajal on my lower line. Pick this up Nykaa and black kajal, and it is the blackest kajal, and I will dip this tip into the water. You can see it's a water, right? Dusted all excess water. I drag it, and oh my god, it is so pigmented right now. Still water pitting. I will still dip into the water. It is pigmented. Next step, I will pick this plum color which I applied on my lashes. I will apply this on my lower lash line, and just, it's already wet, and just taking just touching over it, and apply on my lower lash line. Blend it properly, but it's not blending it because it's dry. The bristles is so freaking dry, and it is not. To the next step, I will apply the mascara on my lower lashes. I'm using this Freedom long length mascara. I'm using this for the first time. I haven't used it before, and I will dip this wand in the water, dust it off all the excess water. Lower lashes slowly because I don't want to ruin this makeup. Oh my god, This mascara is bomb. It separates each and every eyelash. I'm done with the mascara. Now I will contour my face. Today I'm going to use this Freedom Pro Strobe Cream palette, and this palette I'm using for the first time. I'm taking this Freedom contour brush and dip into the water, and here I'm dipping it in the water and squeeze out all the excess. And I'm taking this dark color for the contour and just dip the wet brush inside this palette I'm using for the first time, and I'm dipping the wet brush and start to contour my face. Oh my god, whenever when you dip your brush into the water, the product comes so pigmented. Why not we can't start using wet brush all the time for the makeup, because it makes your makeup more pigmented. It comes quickly on the product comes quickly on the brush on the face. And I'm start buffing this into the skin. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and comment down below if you guys like this video or I'm pass or fail. Let me know in the comment section below. Also hit the subscribe button and hit the big thumbs up with this video. I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.